Hello again mga insan, titos, titas, kuyas, ates, mga panyeros. So again, this is another unboxing video. So katulad ng sinabi ko sa previous video ko when I was unboxing the Shopee items, I wanted to do another unboxing video which kind of presents or which will kind of show kung ano yung isa sa mga favorite hobbies ko talaga growing up. Okay? Now, just to give you a brief background or history kung bakit ito yung isa sa mga favorite hobbies ko. Actually, it's more like a hobby now, pero really, growing up, it was one of my frustrations. Have you ever had an experience in your life na when you were young, you wanted to do or wanted to have or do something but you just couldn't because of certain circumstances like hindi naman kami anak mayaman, hindi kami mayaman, wala kami pera, we didn't have the resources that allows us to do so, masyado ako maliit or whatever, kung ano man yung mga parang physically I could not do it at that time kasi sakitin ako, yung mga ganung bagay. Have you experienced that in your life na meron kayong certain things that you wanted to do or wanted to have but because of the circumstances that you were in at the moment or at the time you just simply couldn't. Okay? And then as much as you wanted to understand na okay lang, hindi ganun. The concern or the situation just went by, only being realized na it is one of your frustrations. And now, after several years or just a few years, you were able to gain that opportunity that would allow you to turn those frustrations into reality on your part para masatisfy yung question mo na what if I had this? What if I could do this and that? So, one of my frustrations back then is that I'm big. By the way, I was born in the 80s. I grew up during the 90s, and of course, I went to high school and grade school during the 90s, and I was very, very fond of sports. Basketball was one of the fondest things that I liked. Pero nung eventually nag-excel ako sa volleyball. But basketball was really one of my deepest, fondest endeavors and also one of my biggest frustrations as well. I did not grow as tall as I wanted to compared to my younger brother and some of my friends. I was not born with a very good eye and hand coordination or talent for basketball. So yeah, I'm an adequate basketball player, but not as good as I would like to think of, or alam mo yun, ang galing ako. Pero sa 2K lang, mga ganun. I have to make a creative play. Tapos pag ganun, magaling yun. Kasi pinakala ko saan. Parang ganun. Okay? So, So, one of my biggest frustrations growing up was not only playing basketball, but actually to have good looking basketball shoes. So I'm kind of a sneakerhead. So I'm not as as sneakerheads compared to some of my friends na talagang bata pa lang they had the opportunity to do so. Up until now they still do so and collect shoes. Pero ako nung nagtrabaho na ako, doon lang ako nagkaroon ng opportunity because of course, hindi kami lumaking mayaman. I'm very lucky to have 2 pairs of shoes in school. One black shoes, black leather school shoes, and then 1 rubber shoes for PE, okay, and everything else. I was very lucky to have parents who can actually buy me, clothes for my back, shoes for my feet, food for our tummies every day. Hindi kami nagutom, never. At not once kami huminto mag-aral. So napag-aral, ginapang ng parents namin yon. And I have high regards to those parents who really do everything for their children, especially for those who have more than 1 or 2 or 3 children. Mandy, if you are watching this, God bless those parents. And for children, I hope you learn to appreciate what your parents do for you, just for you to be where you are, to be alive, to have food on the table, to have food on the table, you have clothes and shoes, and maswerte yung mga yun. So, minsan pag siniswerte, nakakabili ako ng sunod-sunod na sapatos. Pero, as I mentioned, I grew up in the 90s. So, if you grew up in the 90s and you play basketball, syempre, Jordans yan. Michael Jordans yan. And I believe some of my batchmates and some of my friends who grew up during that time, the 90s and the early 2000s, they would agree that some of the greatest shoes, not just Jordans, all other shoes, some of the greatest shoes and shoe design came from that era. Okay? Ganda ng mga sapatos nun. And being that I grew up during that time, one of the things that kind of builds the I'm not really sure if phenomenon around the sneaker community, but there is this notion that if you wear this kind of shoes, you feel that you play the same way as the signature shoes represent. If you wear Jordans, feeling mo para ka na rin Michael Jordan maglaro. If you wear Penny shoes or Nike shoes, you play like the Nike players or the players who wear your Nike shoes, yung mga player exclusive, ganun. Pero nung mga time na yon, hindi uso yung mga colorways. Talagang madalas it's just one color the whole season. But yun na, nung nakapagtrabaho na ako na ang bumibili ng mga sapatos ko. So yun yung talagang history nun, kung bakit ako naging sneakerhead. So when I had the chance to earn my own money, pagka meron sapatos, ang binibili ko lang is yung mga sapatos na kinalakihan ko lang din. And of course, ayoko naman sayangin. Nung nagbabasketball ako, talagang kahit mahal yan. Kung gamitin ko yan, panlalaro ko yan. Wala akong pakialam kung semento, asfalto, buhangin, tabla, kahit ano yan, panlalaro ko yan. Kasi kaya ko nga siya binili. Pero during the time nakakapaglaro pa ako, yung kaya pa ng tuhod ko. Pero nowadays, hindi na halos kaya ng tuhod ko. So, pag bumibili ako sapatos, very, very rare kung gawin yon. Pero madalas pinampoporma ko. Panlalaro ko once or pantatakbo siguro or maybe na volleyball game. Pero after that, parang hindi na rin masyado kasi hindi na rin talaga kaya ng katawan na. I've pushed my body to its limit and most of the time, ang pinaka-limit ko na ngayon is to the bench. So, I'm demoted from player to bench now to just cheering squad. So, I cheer for my teammates or for my school, my colleagues who are playing. So, yeah. So, today, one of my unboxing, one of them I wanted to unbox are, as well as you guessed it, are shoes.
Wow!
Okay, shoebox shoes. So I actually acquired 3 new shoes. Okay. And I wanted to unbox them with you. Okay. So these are 3. So gusto ko sila isa-isahin para ma-unbox so that I'll share them with you and wait. Okay, so yan. I wanted to unbox this and wanted to show you, and as a surprise, actually, One of my surprises, I'm gonna be giving away. Not one of these three, but I will be giving away one pair of shoes this month of July. Actually, naisip ko to very short notice ko siya naisip because I was recently I came to a realization recently.
Wow.
That actually long before na, pero recently ko lang naman talaga ina-admit that when you receive a lot of blessing and when you receive certain blessing, it is much more prudent that instead of asking for more blessings, kasi may dumating naman na blessings, is that you should share it as well. So I am now at the point wherein I am very, very thankful to the Lord, to my faith that I've received a lot of blessings in spite of all of the shortcomings that I have been trying to make amends for. I still receive such blessings that I feel that it is right that I should share. So one of the things that I wanted to share is that for my love of shoes is that this month of July, okay, to capture the moment that I started really vlogging this July, and this July is also my birthday month, so I'll be turning another year in the next few days. Okay, and I will be picking randomly from random individuals who will receive one pair of shoes from me, okay, from my viewers, from the ones who are watching this video. But the condition is that they will need to answer a few questions right, and then if their answers are correct, I will write them down in a stub, and then isa sila sa mga pwede kong mapili na mananalo ng one pair of shoes. Okay? Now, okay. So, what are those questions? So before I give those questions, I will open these boxes one by one. Okay? So, prior to that, so we will start with this shoe. Okay. So this shoe is not now this shoe gagamitin ko lang naman siya, hindi siya panlaro, so it's more for casual. Okay, it's more of a casual box. Ang pangit na nga ng box kasi parang when it was delivered, it was not handled properly. Okay, so you can see medyo classic siya. Yan na eh. So my first question would be dun sa mga gusto mag-qualify is, okay, first is, when would be my birthday? Ano ang birthday ko? Down to the month, which is now July. So all you need to do is guess when is my birth date. So first month is July, anong date, anong araw, and anong year. Okay? Now, so kung mahulaan nyo kung anong year, kadugtong na rin nun, syempre would be kung ilang taon ako. Okay? So, honest answers only, okay? Pero kung sasagutin nyo sobrang bata, I will be so flattered. So, pag sinagot nyo sa akin, sobrang tanda, mablock ko kayo. De joke lang. Okay. Don't worry, I am not that young and I'm also not that old. So, if you can guess, for the first question, if you can guess my birth date, okay, my actual birthday, so you will qualify that one shoe. Okay, so now as we open this box, okay, let me see. Okay, this shoe is a Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Okay, so color is, I believe this is white, suede black, and Hindi siya kita sa video, pero this is olive green or parang may pagka-military green. Tama ba? Tapos medyo off-white yung sole niya. Yung inner sole. Okay? Bango. I love alam mo, sa totoo lang, minsan na-addict ako dun sa amoy ng bagong shoes eh. Alam mo yan, yung parang, it's like a new car smell. Yung medyo may feeling ko may pagka-rugby ang dating. So, yeah. So, yeah. This is the other one. Okay. Stitch yung Jack Cactus sa likod. Then sa other side is Air Jordan. So, hindi sila magkapareho. Okay. Now, gusto ko talaga ng Air Jordan 1 as my casual shoes. So, nakamaong ka lang. So, pinagkaiba lang naman nito, yung forma nito to back then is dati nauso kasi yung mga malalaking pantalon, bell bottoms or elephant pants yan. Tapos natatago yung sapatos. No. Nowadays, it's skinny jeans or straight cut. And then, you dress simply from your shirt to your pants. And then, biglang boom. The real highlight of the day is the shoe. Okay. So, this is the first shoe. Travis Scott Air Jordan 1. The package itself actually includes 1, 2, 3 plus the laces that are on the shoe, 4 laces all in all, so that you can mix and match red, green, white, and then black. Okay, black becomes very classic, pero for the shoes to stand out most of the time, yeah, I guess these colors are actually part of the colorway of the shoe, so you can use any of them. Yeah. So I'll put them back to the box. Okay, so again, question number 1 will qualify you if you know my actual birth date. Okay? Siyempre, down to the month, date, and year. Okay? So that's question number 1. Okay? For question number 2, we will have to have a short break, and then when I come back with the second shoe, so that's for part 2. Or, second part. Okay? Be right back.